Hi guys, Nicey here and welcome back again to my channel. Now, I have an Android tablet PC here which is TECLAST M16 or TECLAST D-Pad. So this tablet is originally made and manufactured in China. So we'll be going to check and review what are the good points and the bad points of this tablet PC. But before we start please don't forget to click like. And of course, if you're just new here to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And of course, hit that notification bell on your screen for more updates and postings. So once again, I have here the whole packaging of the TECLAST M16. First is we have the TECLAST M16 tablet PC or the 11.6-inch tablet PC. And of course, we have here the 11.1 docking keyboard, which is sold separately or optionally. So again, let's start to check the performance or the overall performance and the basic designs of this tablet PC. Once again, this is the overall set of TECLAST Android M16. Now let's start to unbox the 11.1-inch magnetic keyboard or the docking keyboard. So as you can see here, the languages here is written in Chinese because obviously, as discussed earlier, that this Android tablet is made and originally manufactured in China. But again, let's just check how does this tablet looks like. But as you can see here, the packaging is not that super high quality because the box is obviously made in light material. They could have been improved this one into a good quality packaging. So here you go. This is the magnetic docking keyboard or the flip type magnetic keyboard. Because obviously you can see this flip type magnetic keyboard is made of plastic and it's made of light material, which obviously a good point for it because you can carry this all along and it's very handy. As I can see, the keypads or the keyboards is very firm and it's good actually in typing. So here you go. This is the magnetic docking keyboard. Last one to unbox here is the tablet PC or the 11.6 Android tablet, which is fully covered with the plastic, and obviously the packaging here is not that super high quality because of the light materials or the plastics being used. Personally, the design of its packaging is not that safe, and of course TECLAST must improve this one and might as well use the packaging foam instead of the plastic. Now let's also try to check what's into the other boxes here. Now if you check, they have here or they have included the card pin, the manual. Right here it's a card pin for the SIM card ejector, and then here is the manual. What's this? This is the useful reminder, and last one here is the warranty card, which is packed separately. Once again, packaging here still needs an improvement for TECLAST better quality or higher quality. They have also included in the other box the adapter or the charger adapter, and of course the USB Type-C cable. Other than that, other boxes is empty. So once again, TECLAST must think about the packaging foam instead of the empty boxes they use inside this box. Once again, this is the complete set of M16 Android tablet. We have here the 11.6 tablet PC and the 11.1 docking keyboard. Of course, we have here the adapter and the USB Type-C charger. And then you have here the card pin and the manual. Take a closer look to the functions of this tablet. So on the upper side here, we have the built-in speaker. What's good about this speaker so far is that it delivers realistic and delicate sounds and it doesn't have a static sound effect. Upside of this tablet is we have the microphone, the power button, and the volume keys, which are made of plastic, and I think it's not that super high quality. And of course we have this 2.5 millimeter DC charger. On the lower part of this tablet is the docking keys for the docking or magnetic keyboard. On the right, we have here the TF card or the micro SD slot that supports up to maximum of 128 gigabytes and 2 SIM card slots. We also have here the Type C, the HDMI, and of course the earphone. In front is we have the 11.6-inch multi-touch OGS IPS capacitive screen, and of course we also have here the 2 megapixels front camera or the selfie camera. Once again, this tablet weighs 727 grams and its thickness is 900 millimeter, and it's not that bad, but it's a little heavy. At the back side of this Android tablet is we have the M16, which is made in China. On the upper side, we have the 8 megapixels that allows you to capture good and bright images or recording videos. By the way, here are some of the samples that I have using this 8 megapixels camera. Now, what's good about this camera is that it provides you an 8 megapixels, which provides a good vivid images and videos. But of course, once again, if you are a photographic person, if you want a higher quality pictures or images, of course, this tablet PC is not or absolutely not fit for you. Now, let's also try to check how this Android tablet PC works or performs when it comes to gaming experience. Now, as you can see, for the gaming performance, it's a little bit slow using the X27. I think TECLAST could be better if they use the X30 for best gaming experience. Because if you are a gaming enthusiast, I think I suggest not to buy this tablet because this is definitely not a good gaming tablet. So that's it for the basic designs and accessories of this tablet PC. So let's move on for the overall performance and how this tablet performs on your basic needs. This Android tablet is a touch screen or a mobile device that runs some version of Android operating system, which is most likely the same with your Android mobile phone. You can do screenshots, it has calendars, calculator, a sound recorder, and of course the FM radio. Now, the good thing about this Android tablet is that it allows you to download WPS Office or any Microsoft Office, which is a big help, especially when you are doing an online class or even project presentations, PDF files, spreadsheets, and even documentations. Start to check the overall settings of this tablet. The Wi-Fi or the internet connections here, or the Wi-Fi has dual band that supports both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, and of course it has a Bluetooth device and a printing service on. And then if you check the battery has a 7500 mAh long time battery life that keeps your table working up to 8 hours. What's good about this device is that it has a resolution of 1920 x 1080 that gives you more brighter color and vivid images. Another good thing for this Android tablet is that the font size can be changed from its normal size to maximum level of font size. And then if we check the storage of this Android tablet, as I said earlier, that the storage has 128 gigabytes, as you can see, and of course it's still expandable up to 128 using the TF card. And let's check about the about phone. So again, the RAM is 4 gigabytes and the flash is 128. And once again, This model or the device information name is M16, and this tablet is an Android 8.0 version. Now, let's try to recap what are the good points and the bad points of this tablet PC. So, the good points here is that it has 128 gigabytes, which is expandable storage, and then it has an HDMI out, an FM radio application, and of course, it has a good wireless range and an OTG supported. And of course, don't forget that this tablet has a 4G application that can make you call or text messaging. And let's also not forget that this tablet has a good keyboard for typing experience. And what about the bad points here? The bad points here is that this tablet is not a good for gaming experience. It has a GPS but a little bit slow. And then the thickness here is that it's quite heavy than the normal tablet. And of course, the screen is not the screen is normal but it's not fully laminated. So that's all for now for the TECLAST M16 tablet PC. I hope you enjoy my video, and once again, I'm looking forward to see you soon in my next video. And once again, please don't forget to like and of course subscribe on my channel and hit that notification bell for more updates and postings. Once again, this is Nicey here, and see you on my next video. Bye!